Welcome to the first course in the Digital Marketing Nano degree. We will take you on a journey through the digital marketing landscape. At some level, you know marketing already. You've been its subject for most of your life. Marketing surrounds you all day long. From the branding on your morning coffee cup, to the notifications on your phone, to the ads in your feed, to the funny snap from your friend, to the ads that interrupt your favorite TV show, you're no stranger to marketing. Behind all these campaigns you experience daily are people like you and me, people who decided one day that they wanted to be a marketer. These are some marketers you'll hear from throughout the course. The Oxford Dictionary says that marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. I guess that makes sense, but to me, marketing is a lot more. It's about building and having relationships with people. It involves getting to know the other person, making them interested in you, connecting and building and maintaining trust. But mind you, it's not about trickery or make-believe. Those relations don't last. A lot of the communication between marketers and users happens through advertising. You've all seen the ads, display ad banners, search ads, ads on Facebook, etc. And if you're like other people I talk to about digital marketing, you may be wondering, well, who clicks on those ads? Do they matter? Even students like yourselves who are excited about digital marketing can sometimes have a moment of skepticism. Even if you think you never click or get influenced, the numbers claim otherwise. Every part of digital marketing is growing. Marketers increasingly invest in it because it works. Maybe not every ad I showed you contributed to this graph, but you will learn in this course which types of ads work and why. Today, the digital marketing landscape is huge and has many facets. There are tons of players, both big and small. Many parties come together to make the ad campaigns you see around you possible. It's vibrant, fast-paced and fast-changing, with lots of opportunities to build fascinating careers. And finally, digital marketing skills and expertise are in huge demand. Actually, many companies and agencies need digital marketing, but they lack the in-house skill, so they're trying to fill that gap with experienced people, but have a hard time finding them. So our job at Udacity is to get you ready for those roles.